Hello everyone, to all the followers of Avex Truces channel. Today we are gonna present our engineering notebook. A crazy good engineering notebook. First of all, the portation, the portada, the portrait. The portrait is really crazy because we have here the logo of Avex Truces. He's really good because he has big eyes. And it's good that, yeah. Here the summary, that's not important. The introduction, it's not important. The team members, okay, this is important. Here I will present the team. The mediator, he has an important task because he mediates. And he's poor and fat, but we love him. Here the mechanic, he works really good with the 22 centimeter spices, and he's good. Here the programmer, the programmer is really good because he lives in a river and he has good connection. And he does a lot of autonomous. The other programmer, he is not that good because his mother is always working, and that's all. And the other team members, the public relations, he's so good, and he's so good because he has 4 floors in his house, and that's so good. And he has a Nissan, important. The other mechanic, this mechanic will buy me a magnet from Porto, then I won't criticize him. And the captain is so good because he didn't break the robot, then he's good. The ways of working, this is not important, doesn't matter. The roles, doesn't matter because I explained it. The logo, I told you the logo. Here it puts 2024, but we will change it. Or not, I don't know. I don't make the logo. The t-shirts, we don't have t-shirts, it's a sheet. The sponsors, we don't have sponsors. We won't go to China. It's a sheet. The design is, I don't know, I didn't make the design. Then it's, we have here the base of our robot. It's really consistent because it have 3 wheels in every side, and it's good that because it makes it faster. I don't know. Here another photo. That's not important. Here I don't know. That's not important. Okay, the challenge. The challenge is important because we need to win and go China. Okay, here we explain a little bit of the challenge, but I won't explain it because I don't know anything. How to pick blocks? I don't know. Here it's explanation how to pick blocks. Here the bonus points. This is important because the bonus points are like points, but they are bonus, and then it makes it really puntation, and we will win with bonus points. They are very important. And the parking is very important too. Autonomous points. They are like the points, but they are autonomous. That's all. The important rules. I will tell you one rule. For example, during the last 20 seconds of a match, robots may not directly or indirectly contact other alliances parking or opponent robots. If we do this, we will be disqualified, and we don't want that because we want to go China, and we will go China. Our opinion of the game, this is a shit because it's a regeneration of the document. Then it's not important. I don't know who did it. The robot, here we explain the robot, but it's other regeneration, then it's not important. Here some photos of the parts of the robot. Design ideas. This is more regeneration, but it's interesting because we put photos of other robots that really work. For example, this robot, it looks like a trash ban, but it's not, or trash can, I don't know what the fuck, how it tells it. And it's really good, this robot. I don't know why we put it here, but it's interesting. Okay, this photo is very quality, but we can see it has a stick of 22 centimeters, and it's interesting. And here, this other robot that really works, and Probably it has, what the fuck, a good absorber, and it works. Here, a trick that we wanted to do, but we couldn't, because, I don't know, it doesn't work. It doesn't work, and we tried it. And the day-a-day, we didn't do the day-a-day. This is more regeneration. It's like telling what we do some days, but there are only 5 days. But we went to robotics more days. Then I don't know what to say more, because there's nothing more in the fucking notebook. The notebook is really bad. We need to do something. I only did the 40% of the fucking notebook, and that's bad. I need to do more percent. And that's all. I don't know what more to tell. We will do more videos explaining information of robotics, and our team. And we will go China probably, or not, I don't know. If TapTap patrocinates us, we will go China. If he didn't, we won't go.